In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a picture look like a painting or a sketch. This is just a neat thing you can do to your pictures if you want to put them on a blog or whatever you want to do with them, print them out, put them in a frame, what have you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is bring in a picture. I'm going to use a picture that is scenery because they often look good when you turn them into sketches and paintings. So I'll just go and do File, Open. Okay, so let's bring this in. Okay, so there's a nice picture. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some effects on it. So you can download paint.net for free. And then what you do is go over to effects and then artistic. Okay, so we can turn it into an ink sketch. Okay, and there it is. Now you can change the settings here and it will change the way it looks. Okay, so it gets finer. This is the colors, this is the outline. So you can just adjust that to have that the way you want. Okay, once you're happy with it, click OK. And there it now looks more like an ink sketch. Okay, let's undo that. Now you can also do a pencil sketch. Okay, now obviously we need to okay, so you just adjust these little bars here until you get it looking the way you want. There. Click OK. And now we have a pencil sketch. Okay, let's undo that. And let's go back to effects, artistic. Now what we're going to do is an oil painting. Okay, now you see how that looks more like an oil painting now? Okay, and then we have our coarseness and brush size again. Okay, so you can just set these the way you want. You see that the bigger the brush size here, the more blurry it gets, which is normal when you do a painting. And then the coarseness here. Okay, so get that, just adjust that until you're happy with it. And now you have an oil painting. So that's how you can use artistic effects in paint.net to pimp your images.